Hi guys, pick this make your own wooden RC car kit up in a charity shop a while back. Only cost me 99p. I had a quick look inside. Looks like it's all there. So we'll see how quickly we can put it together. I've been doing some rather long builds lately. I just rather fancy doing something a little bit quicker. That's it. "25 pieces, drives forwards and backwards. You can colour it in yourself." Okay. Right, that's all the bits. There's the instructions. So, I will turn my soldering iron on and I'll solder the wires rather than twisting them like it shows. Just because it'll make it a little bit more durable. So we've got the transmitter or the receiver. Transmitter, got buttons on it. Yeah, okay. So, technical stuff. Got some red buttons to put on the switches. That is going to reach, but that's a bit tight because the picture shows it. I'm not going to take it apart now, but I now realise, looking at that picture, I've got this piece upside down. Oh, how annoying. Right. I'm going to take it apart again, assemble it the right way up. But you don't need to watch me do that. I'll take it apart, turn it all over. Right, back again. I've taken it apart completely because by the time we got to this bit, I realised I'd put this on the wrong side, so that hole was in the wrong place and the aerial wire wouldn't stretch to where I had it because that hole was down there and it wouldn't actually get down there. So I will edit all of that out because that's just a waste of time watching. We've now got to put that on there. Let's start that again. Somehow or other we're short of one piece of wood. We should have two like this, one of which has a bit of notch out of it that fits over where the aerial is. And I can't find it. I've searched and I cannot find it. This is still going to go together without it, but we're going to have a little gap at the end. So we've got all this spare wire, which is just going to be in the way, and would have been even worse with the extra bit that I've done away with. That's going to be a little bit neater. And this one will go over there. Just before I screw this in place, a quick look at the circuit board again. So that chip there must be the actual receiver chip. I think it's got something written on it. I think I'm going to edit a lot of this out. I've just struggled putting things together, getting screws into holes, simple things like that. I've directly soldered the battery wires onto the circuit board, done away with the little tails so that we haven't got extra joints blowing around in the breeze. Need to put the aerial. That's got to be there. That one's going to be on top of it. With another screw. no on-off switch. It's trying to move. Let's just disconnect the four-wheel bit of it for now. Right. It works. That is all it does, forwards and backwards. There is obviously no steering. Right, well, that's it, job done. I will have to edit that severely because I've taken about an hour and I was expecting to take about 10 minutes. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.